Hi there, students. Expressly. In this video, I'd like to look at expressly as an adverb and as an adjective as well. So, expressly, I expressly told you not to do that. So I told you in a way that was clear. I particularly and specifically clearly explained to you, do not do that. I expressly told you to be here before 10 o'clock, and then you didn't come. Expressly, for an express purpose, for an a specific purpose. So I put up the sign expressly to stop people walking across my garden. Okay, expressly. So in a way that is clear, in a way that shows intention or choice. So this is expressly for you. It is specifically for you. Yeah. It was with the express intention. I made this with the express intention of giving it to you. So expressly, definitely and clearly stated. So I expressly said that this must be done by today. It was my express wish that this be done soon. Okay, so express, specifically, expressly, in an explicit way. Yeah, expressis verbis, explicitly. Yeah, we were expressly told not to use this room. Yeah, okay, so it was clearly mentioned that this mustn't be done. Yeah, we were given express permission to do it like this. We were specifically permitted to do it in this way. And then expressly, exclusively, solely. So this room is expressly for your use. Yeah, this is expressly what I meant. Exactly the right thing. Okay, so express as an adjective, specific. Okay, so plain, clear. Yeah, it's not implied. I gave express instructions not to begin until I arrived. You cannot copy this, the words in this book without the express permission of the publisher. Yeah, this is expressly prohibited. Okay, so expressly, for an express purpose, for with a specific intention. Yeah, this room is expressly for use of teachers, specifically. I explained this to you expressly, exactly, plainly, clearly, unmistakably. You can't make a mistake about it. Yeah, so if you did, then you're clearly not doing what I asked. I expressly asked him to stop so that everyone could hear what I was going to say, explicitly. Yeah, for the particular specific purpose, specifically. I expressly came to tell you how much I love you. Okay, so expressly, in an express manner, explicitly. He expressly rejected my proposal. This is made expressly for you, particularly, specifically, solely. Yeah, this is for the express purpose of doing it like that. Specific. Yeah, explicitly, clearly. For the sole purpose of. Yeah, this room is explicitly for entertaining clients. It's expressly for entertaining clients. It's solely for entertaining clients. I told you unambiguously, I told you distinctly, I told you clearly, I told you plainly, I told you expressly. Yeah, in an express way. Okay, so let's see. Expressly. Express intention. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 to 6 in formality. It's a touch on the formal side, but use it anywhere. Yeah, you can use it informally and formally. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin. Yeah, expressus, from the verb exprimo, to squeeze. Yeah, to squeeze out. Yeah, to press out. And I guess over time that's changed, but to express, ex, out of, and premo, to press, so you press out of it. I expressly told you to do this. Yeah, I pushed it particularly, perhaps. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Express, expressly.